Dan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Peter Lipari. Thank you for the concert of our 2016-17 academic year. We have some special things going on today. I want to start by thanking my OPA, Orchestra Parents Association Board, for getting together with some alumni and getting a group started of people who care about this orchestra and who have been in it in years past and trying to make an alumni association part of the fabric of our orchestra. So before I even begin, let me do two things for housekeeping's sake. Please turn off any electronic devices that might interfere with the recording for Channel 6 of our concert this evening. And if you're going to take some snapshots of your student, please make sure that is not disturbing to your neighbor. And let's shut off our phones if we're texting or anything like that. That's number one. Number two, we'd ask you to please, if you're going to exit, because this is again being taped for television, if you're going to exit the theater during the concert, you do so during applause and not disturb the people in your rows or the people around you. Can I first welcome the alumni who have come back to say hello to us, as we had a little reception before we started. Would you stand up if you're a JTHS Orchestra alumnus? Let's welcome them. Thank you for coming today. Today was an interesting year for me. This semester was an interesting one because for the first time in my career I had a student teacher. So he is starting out the program. His name is Micah Anderson. He's from Millikan University. We've enjoyed having him this semester. So please help me welcome Micah Anderson to start out the program. The next piece we'd like to play for you is a piece that the Philharmonia, the advanced group, played last year. It was written by William Hofeld and commissioned by us to celebrate. 2 years ago it was commissioned by us. We received it last September. It was to celebrate our 110th anniversary. There's been an orchestra on campus of Joliet Township High School since 1905. So celebration of that. It's a movement in an old-fashioned style. It sounds very Baroque-ish at times. It has some harmonies that I think you'll enjoy. It's called Sinfonietta. come on down. Seniors, come on down. Please sit. Please sit. Thank you. I'd like to invite my seniors to come out on front, in front of the orchestra. Let's hear it for the class of 2017, ladies and gentlemen. Elgin, do you have any family out there tonight? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Philharmonia. Well, we'll do it twice. We'll do it twice. So Phil, I didn't tell you this, but Phil, there are some people in the Philharmonia who've come up here, and why don't you just smile and bow, and I'll announce you again when we do this at the end of the Philharmonia, okay? Is that okay? Okay. As I'll call your name, please accept the applause of the audience and then take a couple steps forward as I say your name and tell where you're going and what you're majoring. David Angel, going to JJC in nursing, ladies and gentlemen. Ariel Badan, going to JJC in criminal justice. Juana Barajas, going to JJC in psychology. Carla Contreras, where are you? There you are. Carla Contreras is going to JJC in criminal justice. Anise Coopwood is going to Culver Stockton and majoring in history. Anise. Elgin Hodges. Have you decided where you're going, Elgin? It's supposed next week or something, the decisions. Elgin's got so much money coming at him, he's having to sift through all the... Elgin Hodges is going into astrophysics. Logan Maskey, not sure where he's going, into aerospace engineering. Logan Maskey. Andrew Buzzy Morris is going, he's staying in Joliet, but he's going to the National Guard, ladies and gentlemen. And finally, Ryan Paredes is going to Lewis University majoring in nursing. Let's hear it for the class of 2016-17, ladies and gentlemen. 16-17. We are done. Thank you very much. Go ahead. Cellos and basses, leave your instruments in the back. Give us a minute or two while we change forces and the Philharmonia comes up. Philharmonia, please. Strings, if you would exit that way. And strings, will you go sit out in the audience where the Philharmonia is sitting? So while this is taking a minute or two of your time, let me tell you, alumni especially, how we've been rolling the past couple of years. I got here in 2007. There were 63 members of the Joliet Township High School Orchestra at both campuses combined. And there are now 174 at both campuses. I know, it's really cool. It's very cool. We had one section of orchestra here at West and one section of orchestra at Central. We now have two sections of orchestra, a string orchestra, and this auditioned upperclassmen orchestra behind me at West, and we have two sections of string orchestra and one section of the Philharmonia at Joliet Central. We also rehearse on Monday evenings with the audition winds and brass and percussion from both campuses. We call ourselves a symphony orchestra. We combine all campuses and all classes in the summertime, and we perform as a festival orchestra. We perform at Bicentennial Park, and we'll be out there August 31st, which is the last Thursday of August. The last, I think it's the penultimate concert that they'll be giving at Billy Liemacher Park. And we perform as a festival orchestra, combined campuses for that. And we have an orchestra festival day where we combine with the Joliet District 86 students, where there are, last year we had 350 students from both District 86 and 204 who played together, so that was kind of exciting. We're going to do two very contrasting pieces that we have loved rehearsing. The first is a three-movement piece called Brandenburg Concerto No. 3, written for violin 1, 2, and 3 instead of just violin 1 and 2. It's written for viola 1, 2, and 3 instead of a just single viola part, and cello 1, 2, and 3 instead of just a single cello part. So I think you'll find that interesting and exciting. And then we're playing after that Adagio for strings. So if you know, that piece has been used in many different movies and commercials and things, and it's most famously from the last scene of the movie Platoon. So I hope you enjoy that. I'm going to do one quick tune-up for them because some of them haven't played in about a half an hour. So let me do a quick tune-up and then we'll go ahead and start. lot of notes on there. Please sit. Stand. Seniors, please come and join me up at the front. Oh, we got to play Adagio for strings first.
Yeah.
I think I'm a little bit nervous. And I always am on the last night. So let's switch places for Adagio for strings.
Probably a good idea.
Were you able to hear three distinctive parts, especially like in the violins and the violas, which were on either side? Because that was our goal. We sat them in bunches together, so that's why we're having to switch our seating around a little bit. Now we're ready for seniors to come up. Ladies and gentlemen, the class of 2017 from the Philharmonia. Spread out, spread out. Scoot stage left, Paco. It's been a very special class for 4 years. A lot of leaders, and a lot of very, I tell them in the life of a teacher is complicated, and it's not fun like this every day. And they know that if I'm not out of my office, if I'm handling a broken string, if I'm making copies across the hallway, and I'm not ready when class starts, they know to get ready, and it just kind of happens. And I've walked in 5 minutes late, doing something, talking to a parent, doing something in my office, to find they're halfway through their first number, and they've tuned up all by themselves, and concertmasters have run everything, and it's just a joy to have it's a joy to have a program that runs by itself, and I get to do the fun stuff like this. So the class of 2017 has been very special in that way. Without further ado, please stand forward when I call your name. Cheyenne Aguilar, going to Lewis University in social work. Abby Augustine's going to DePaul University in English and Theater Education. Angel Bautista, who was just awarded runner-up of Mr. J at Joliet Central, and Abby Augustine, stand up again, Abby, who was runner-up for Miss J. Let's have a special round of applause for them. Angel Bautista going to Ohio State in Mechanical Engineering. Jada Brand going to Howard University in Criminal Justice and Business. Luana Davila is going to University of Illinois Chicago in Astronomy and Orchestral Conducting. Because she can. Because she can. Astronomy and Orchestral Conducting. That's interesting. Terrence Dawkins is going to JJC and majoring in construction. Terrence Dawkins. Jared Ellis is going to Baldwin Wallace University in Theater, Acting, and Directing. Diana Flores, where are you, Diana? Diana is going to Lewis University in Biochemistry. Vanessa Flores, who yesterday got Miss J at Joliet Central High School, is going to Southeastern University, and she's majoring in Children and Family Ministry. Marissa Franco, going to Indiana State in nursing. Viviana Garcia is going to JJC in music education. Jana Jones is going to JJC in nursing. Jessica Lamer is going to JJC in, no, I got that right. You're going in nursing. Jane is going in ultrasound technology. Did I get that right? Let's try it one more time. Jane is going to JJC in, my eye just went crissy-crossy. Jane is going to JJC in ultrasound to be an ultrasound technician. And Jessica Lamer is going to JJC in nursing. Sorry about that, ladies. Gillian Machota is going to Aurora University majoring in history and museum studies and double majoring in music as well. Kalamaski is going to Tribeca Flashpoint College in film. Kalamaski. Arnulfo Perez is going to JJC and wants to be a cardiothoracic surgeon. Because he can. Ian Ryan is going to Aurora University in nursing. Janelle Samuel is going undecided and undecided. She's waiting for the best offer. And she'll get it. Journey Sellers is going to ISU and still is undecided. Kiara Sherrod is going to the University of Kansas in pre-med. Alexis Sutherland is going to the University of Illinois, Chicago in physical therapy. Elizabeth Tuck, University of San Francisco in elementary education. And finally, Diana Ventura is going to Columbia majoring in business. Let's hear it for the class of 2017. Thank you. Symphony Orchestra, let's take our places, please. Ready? So just reminding parents that students know this, reminding parents and guardians that your student, if they're an orchestra, needs to return their uniform. So everyone stay seated and relax for a little while. It'll probably take us, well, I don't know how long it's going to take us, but we'll go as quickly as we can. The orchestra people have to return their uniforms. It'll take me a second to run up and put the house lights back on. So after the concert, please relax for a second until your student comes out. You might as well even stay in here because the hallway is going to be crowded. Okay? Thank you. I know why I was confused before. It's because for the symphony orchestra, I would like the seniors to come down now, so that when we're finished with the program, we're finished with the program, and we can begin to disembark, as it will. So because there's only 5 or 6 wood, wind, and brass seniors, I'd like all the seniors to come down, and then I'll acknowledge, let's all the seniors come back on stage one more time, and I'm just going to I will announce the seniors from the winds and the brass and percussion. So all seniors, come on down. Let's welcome again the Symphony Orchestra, class of 2017. Seniors, come on down. Yeah, there's only 5 of them. And when I call out your names, winds and brass, just stand forward and be acknowledged. I didn't want them to, there's only 5, and I didn't want them to feel lonely. You don't mind winds and brass, do you? It's too late if you do. From Joliet West, Abby Bouchel is going to Illinois Wesleyan in music ed. Where are you? There's Abby. Luis Baca from Joliet West also is going to JJC, and he's undecided. Luis Baca. Cassandra Contreras, also from Joliet West, is going to JJC. She wants to study dentistry. Where are you, Cassandra? Oh, there she is. And from Joliet Central, Christian Torres is going to DePaul University in music education. And also from Joliet Central, Joe Tim is going to the University of Central Florida in music education. Let's hear it for our class of 2017, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. We end our program with Pirates of the Caribbean. Please stand. Do you want a microphone? Do you want a microphone?
Oh gosh, no. No.
Crunch bars.
Card if you want to read it.
Do you want me to read it?
If you want to read it.
Did you want to say something?
Oh gosh. I can't.
I think they should say something.
No.
Don't read it? Okay.
Thank you so much for these past 4 years. You've been such an inspiration, such a strong person. Words can't describe our gratitude towards you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, ladies. Let's hear it once again for the class of 2017, ladies and gentlemen. You may go. Give me a second to turn on the lights.